Thank you. Appreciate you. So our hashtag's Get Exponential. It's inspired by Steve Jobs. I don't know Steve. But he used to talk about Nike. He said Nike in the beginning, why their marketing was so great, Nike's marketing, they used to honor great athletes. So one of my goals is to honor great real estate agents, which I'm trying to do. You saw a second ago. Now, he also said, who remembers the Got Milk campaign? The Got Milk? That doubled milk sales. So I came up with, are you ready to get exponential? A lot of people are like, Daniel, I don't get it. Well, who earlier said they can get 1% better per day at anything? Yeah, and there's a similar idea that was talked about earlier. Did you know if you get 1% better per day, that's the curve right there? Don't worry about comparing yourself to others. Michael, Kobe, again, rest in peace, MJ, who did they compare themselves to? Themselves. Get 1% better than yourself every day. You'll be crushing. 1% better per day. The average human thinks that it's 365%. It's not. There's this compound effect. Somebody else was alluding to a similar effect earlier. It builds, it compounds, it grows exponentially. It be 3,800% better in a year, right? Anybody committed to some exponential growth? Legit? Yeah. No hyperbole. Again, my name is Daniel Fleischman. This is Exponential Real Estate Results, Exponential Business Coaching. Remember, 1% improvement per day can get you exponential results. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Are you ready to get exponential?
Are you ready to get exponential?
Are you ready to get exponential?